Hello everyone, in this video we have this interesting problem. We have x over 2 plus 4 over x and this is equal to 6. And we have to find the value of x. But before we begin, as always, pause the video and try first. And if you're new here, consider subscribed and also don't forget to like this video. Now let's get started. First, I'm going to say that x is never equal to 0 because of this x, right? Now from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this x by this one. So we have x to the second power, then plus. Then I'll also multiply this 2 by this 4 over here. So we have 2 times 4, which is 8. Then all divided by. Then I'll multiply this 2 by this x, right? So we have 2x over here, and this is equal to 6. Now let's go ahead and then multiply each side of this equation by 2 times x. So we have 2 times x over here. And so that way you can see that these 2x will cancel this. Now we have x to the second power plus 8 is equal to 6 times 2 is 12. So we have 12x over here. Great. Now let's equate everything to 0. So we have x to the second power minus 12x plus 8 is equal to 0. And now you can see we have a very nice quadratic equation over here. Now using the quadratic formula, we have x is equal to negative 12, then plus or minus square root of negative 12 squared minus 4 into 1 into 8, all divided by 2 times 1. Okay, so we have x is equal to negative will be positive, so we have 12 over here, then plus or minus, we have square root of negative 12 squared is 144, then we have minus 4 times 8 is 32, all divided by 2. Great. Now let's go ahead and then simplify this. We have x is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 32 is 112, all divided by 2. Great. Now let's go ahead and then break this down. We have x is equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 112 could be written as 7 times 16, then all divided by 2. Now let's focus on this square root of 112. We have square root of 112. And this 112 is the same as square root of 7 times 16. Okay, so we have square root of 7 times square root of 16. And this is the same as square root of 16 is 4. So I'm going to write that one first, then times square root of 7. So in place of this whole thing, I'm going to put this, right? So we have x is equal to 12 plus or minus 4 square root of 7 all divided by 2. Okay? Now, if you split this fraction, we have x is equal to 12 over 2 plus or minus 4 over 2 square root of 7. Now we have x is equal to 2 goes into 2 one time and then goes into 12 6 times. Okay, so we have 6 here, then plus or minus 2 goes into 2 one time and then goes into 4 2 times. So we have 2 root 7. Okay, so this implies that x is equal to 6 plus 2 root 7, or x is equal to 6 minus 2 root 7. And this is our final answer. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day and see you again on the next video.